Welcome to this video. This video's title is Advanced Neck and Upper Back, and through this routine we're going to show you some exercises that can give you some added strength and stability in your neck and your upper mid-back region. The first thing we're going to start out with is what we call supine chin retraction, and we can do this by laying on the edge of your bed or on a workout bench. We let the head extend off and we bring it into a neutral position and then pull that chin back. These are chin retraction exercises. We call them turtle exercises because like the turtle pulling his head back into his shell. We pull in deeper and deeper and deeper, and we hold that position. This is about a 30-second hold for the supine chin retraction. We can then flip over and do prone chin retraction. With a prone chin retraction, same thing. We lay on the edge of the bed, let the head fall over. Good. We pull into a neutral position. And then we pull that chin up and in, up and in. There we go. Now with this one we want to do repetitions. So we'll go down and up. Down and up. Maybe a good 2 to 3 second hold at the top. And we want to go between 10 and 20 repetitions. Pulling that chin up and in, up and in. The next chin retraction exercise that we're going to do is called isometric chin retraction. And the difference with the isometrics means that we're going to apply a little bit of pressure. So this can be done in a seated position. Can use our hands in the back of our head to give a little bit of resistance as we pull that chin up and in. Good. Dr. Beth's going to move her arm out of the way so you can see the movement. But you can see how she's pulling that chin back in. You should really feel this in the back of your skull, down into your shoulder blades. And you want to pull and hold for, again, another 2 to 5 second count. Gentle resistance. And somewhere between 5 and 10 repetitions. We're going to stick with the isometric exercises and we're going to go into a lateral bending exercise. To do this, we just use our hand to apply some gentle resistance as we try to touch, in this case, our right ear to our right shoulder. And again, we hold for 2 to 5 seconds and do somewhere between 5 to 10 repetitions on each side. And we'll go ahead and switch up and we'll do it the other way. In this instance, we'll be trying to touch our left ear to our left shoulder, applying some gentle resistance with our left hand. Now when you're doing this exercise, as well as all the exercises that we offer, certainly you may feel some discomfort from the exercise, but it should not be a high level of pain, certainly not sharp pain. If you feel anything awkward or painful, please don't hesitate to talk with one of the doctors at Back to Health about the situation. That way we can help you modify your home exercise routine to get the best outcomes possible. We're going to stay isometric and we're going to go into isometric flexion and extension. So Dr. Beth is showing you what the moves are going to look like. With flexion, we just apply a little bit of gentle pressure to the front of the forehead. And we try to contract again for another 2 to 5 seconds. Doing somewhere around 5 to 10 repetitions. To do the extension moves, same thing. We apply a little bit of gentle pressure with our hands. And we attempt to go through the extension movement, holding for anywhere between 2 to 5 seconds, and doing somewhere between 5 and 10 repetitions. Dr. Beth moved her hand out of the way there so you can see what she's doing. Just applying some gentle pressure there. Good. We're going to come off of our bed and get down onto the floor. Onto our yoga mat here, we're going to go into our Superman position, where we're going to pick everything up off the ground. Arms straight out in front, just like we're flying. And we're going to squeeze, 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 squeeze. You should really feel this in your upper back. We're going to go into T-Man now, and we're going to draw the arms straight back. Again, picking everything up off the table, and squeeze. You want to hold these positions for at least a good 10 seconds, but try to shoot for 30 seconds. Try to shoot for a minute. Can you do 2 minutes? Rocket Man, arms straight back, palms up to the air. And again, we squeeze. Pretend like you have a walnut between your shoulder blades there. You want to crack that walnut. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hold for at least a good 10 seconds. But progressively, you should be trying to increase your time.